Hello and welcome to your Bright MLS Facebook Live series. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I'm your Bright MLS customer success coach for today. Today we're going to talk about effective ways on how to find listings that cater to your client's needs. Okay. Now, if you have a client that may be an investor, okay, and you are looking for as investment opportunities, I am here to show you a tool called Wildcard that helps you narrow down that search criteria by using the Wildcard tool, which is kind of like a keyword search. Okay. So I'm going to jump into our search menu here. We're going to click search, and then we're going to click residential sell. And we are going to use the wildcard tool within the remarks section, okay? So using the wildcard tool, we are going to only search within the remarks section. We know that within the remarks section, that is where the listing agent paints the pretty picture of the listing, telling all the bells and whistles, if it's an investment opportunity, if it's waterfront, that is where all of that information is usually stored, right? So first, I'm going to show you how to customize your search view by adding in remarks public and private. And then I'm going to show you how to use the wildcard tool within the public remarks. So we are within our search criteria page here. We're going to simply just scroll down to the very bottom, okay? So once you've already added in your search criteria, you want to actually look for that very particular keyword, whether it's a property feature or, like I said, investment opportunity. We're going to click where it says additional fields add. We're going to select that option. And we have this pick list here. Within this pick list, this allows you to add in additional tools within your search page here. But what I want to focus on today is adding in remarks public and private. Okay, so I'm going to type in remarks. All right, and we now have remarks public and private. We're going to simply click add. Okay, and then select the back option here. Okay, so I've added in all of my criteria. I'm working with an investor, and he says, hey, you know what? I want an investment property. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll to the very bottom here where our remarks public and private are located. And a wild card is an asterisk. You add the asterisk and you type in that particular keyword that you are looking for. So we're typing in investment and then closing the asterisk. Now you can use multiple keywords when you're using the wildcard tool. You can simply separate it with a comma and then add the asterisk and the additional keywords that you are looking to add. Now, because I'm only looking for an investment opportunity here, I'm just typing in investment, okay? And we have 54 matches, okay? So this simply means that there are 54 listings where the listing agent has mentioned the word investment and the remarks, either public or private. Now, keep in mind, remarks public is what consumers will see, your buyers will see. Remarks private is what Bright subscribers will see. So let's take a look at our results by clicking the results menu here. And let's look at a listing. Okay, so I'm going to click on my first listing here. And this is coming soon. Let's go to an active listing. And I'm going to just go ahead and select Control F. Selecting Control F on my keyboard, I'm going to look for the word investment. All right, and as you see here, this listing agent says this property would be a great home or a great investment for a rental income. Okay, on my keyboard, again, I selected Control F. And as you see here in the top of my screen, all of the listings, again, in my results, mention the word investment in the remarks section there. So the key to this is adding remarks public and private, and then using the wildcard tool with the asterisk that includes the keyword, what you're looking for. Let's take a look at the next listing. Clicking the next option here, all right, we have investment listed here. All right, so as you see here, it says transform your ideal retreat or investment. Okay, so this is another investment opportunity here. You can continue to look through these options, and this is a great way to find exactly what your client needs. Okay. I hope you found the wildcard / public remarks tool helpful to your business. And again, my name is Mariah Jacobs. I'm your Bright MLS customer success coach. And if you ever want to meet one-on-one, feel free to reach out. I will put my information here on the screen. The one-on-one coaching sessions are included in your subscription, so you can reach out to me via email or telephone number. I hope you have a bright day.